Konting oil lang. Oh, that's enough. Tinimplahan ko na lahat to guys. Mayroon ng luya or ginger, onions, garlic, a little bit vinegar natin. Oh, see? Do you see what I see guys? Ano, nakadali. Simple lang gani guys. Parang nagbinalay lang ako guys Ito na guys. Oh. Ay, nilagyan ko pala ng turmeric powder guys. You see? Dali lang maluto ang basta firewood. See? Luto na guys.